Hi everybody, it's Anne here from positivelypapercraft.co.uk and I'm back again with another tutorial, and today I want to show you this card which is called a twist turn card. Now it isn't new, I think it's been around for a long time, but it's the first time I've discovered it and I think it's pretty cool really. And it opens up and you can stamp a little sentiment or message or whatever you want to put in, and it's actually really easy to do. It just kind of folds like that, then that turns over and this kind of twists like that. So I'm going to show you how I've done it, and I've used the gorgeous new Share What You Love paper with a little doily here, and then mint macaron because that's back, and you can pre-order this paper already in different bundles and stuff. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to make this one in Rich Razzleberry, and again I'm going to use some of this gorgeous paper, and that's got foiling on it, so pretty. So the Rich Razzleberry measures 8 1/4 by 5 1/2 inches. I've got a piece of DSP and a piece of Whisper White, and these two both measure the same. They're 4 1/8 by 2 5/8, and I've got another piece of the DSP which is 2 5/8 by 2 5/8, and then I've got the second largest stitched circle to do some stamping, because we're going to use this gorgeous new set which is Love What You Do, and it's really nice because it's actually surprising when you open it, because you can see how huge them stamps are. They look small, but they're really not, so we're going to use that. So we need to do a bit of scoring with our card. Just get the scoreboard. Excuse me. So if you pop it in on the long side, and we're going to score at 2 3/4 and 4 inches. 2 3/4 and 4, and the short side it's just 2 3/4. Alright, so you should end up with that. And then what we're going to do, as you can see from this card here, is we are going to score, sorry, 2 lines like that. Okay, so we're going to come down here and then we're going to go up there. So if you just take a ruler, and we're just going to score from this little point here just straight to there. Okay, and then the same on the other side. Whoopsie, try and keep it still though. Alright, so you should have that now, and then we are going to burnish it. And then you need to give it a really good fold, so fold it the opposite way as well. Alright, and then you're just going to fold them. Okay, because what you're going to do is you want to have it like this, so this is kind of see, I better fold them this way, I think, if I've done it that way or not. So you're going to have it like this, and if you just pinch that in like that, and as you pinch it in, just grab that, okay, so you're kind of pushing it in, and then just flip it over, and there you go. And you just want to burnish that down as well. There is your little twist turn card. Okay, so we're going to decorate it now. So I'm going to have my piece of DSP is just going to go on there. It's upside down actually. Gorgeous. Then we are going to open it up, and then I'm going to have my Whisper White there, but I'm not going to put that in yet because I'm going to do a bit of stamping on there. And then this bit here is where I want the little square that I cut out. So I want this on here, so pop it that way. Like that. Okay, so I've got the Whisper White, and I've got the, where did I put the circle that the Whisper White circle that I had? I've lost it already. There it is. So on the inside piece, this gorgeous stamp here, which is this one, I'm just going to stamp that kind of there, and I think I'm going to do that in Rich Razzleberry. Gorgeous. I love this stamp. It's absolutely beautiful. Isn't that gorgeous? And I mean, you could colour those in as well if you wanted to. And we can now stick this bit inside. So that is going to go just in there. Oh, I stuck it the wrong way there. So this bit here is where I'm going to put my little circle, and what I'm going to do is I've got the thank you, and I've also got them little flowers as well. So I'm going to stamp the thank you in, again, Rich Razzleberry. That's going to go just roughly in the middle. Like that. And then the little flowers, I'm going to use Old Olive. and I'm just going to pop just like that. Just gives it a little bit more interest, doesn't it, really? Like that. And like that. How sweet is that? Just put them out the way. And then I'm going to put a couple of dimensionals on the back. Probably put 3 on. Okay, and as I said, that is going to go just on the middle of my little square piece of the card. And I've also got some of these new Share What You Love artisan pearls. They're in the new In Colours, which is, I should know them already. Pineapple Punch, no, I don't think they are in the new In Colours. No, they're not. They're in Mint Macaron and stuff, so just ignore me. Anyway, I'm going to put a couple of these on. I'm so happy Mint Macaron's come back. I will always love that colour. So I'm going to have a little rich raspberry one, I think, and we'll have a mint macaron, and maybe, I'm not quite sure what that colour is there, but we'll have that on as well, like that. So there we go. I think that is beautiful. A twist turn card. So really nice. I love that. And if you wanted to just cut another piece of the Whisper White, you could attach that on the back, and then you could write a little greeting or whatever, or you could just obviously write something in there. It's entirely up to you. So I really like that. It's quite a just a fun little card, isn't it? So, and there's the original one I made. That was using the new pearlized doilies. So, and I put some DSP on that bit, which was the reverse of that one, but you don't have to put any up there. It's entirely up to you, but there we go. So I hope you've enjoyed it, and we'll give it a go, and I will be back again on Friday with another tutorial. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye for now.